Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I've got a package and I believe this is the DS Lite browser game. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbox this and see if it is. So I got this off musicmagpie.com. It was actually £2 and here it is. It's actually brand new, still sealed in the packet, which is quite nice. It's a shame I'm going to have to open it though. But I might even buy another one if it works or if it's any good, and then just leave it in this packet. So there's two versions of this. There's one for the original DS and there's one for the DS Lite. This one right here is the DS Lite version. As you can see, it just says the pink band right here. And yeah, let's just unbox this package right now. Oh, okay. This has been resealed. Definitely been resealed. I don't know what. There's a bit stuck on there. There's a few marks at the back actually. Unless it was just marked in the packet, but it's got a bit of dirt stuck on that bit as well. Interesting. Anyway, so let's just open this up. So here are all the manuals and stuff. Just have a look at these quickly. It's got a Nintendo browser. There's quite a few things that come with this. It's a rubbish manual. Just try to flick through. I mean, it's probably going to be common sense really for setting it up, isn't it? That's interesting. They're on the Nintendo website. It's got keyboards and everything. Here we are. There's the cartridge, and this is the expansion pack, I believe. Oh, it's just a dust protector. Yeah, this is the mini memory expansion pack for the web browser, which is actually really cool. Here's the actual cartridge itself. Nintendo DS browser. It does look in really good condition. Maybe the cartridge isn't. Just get my got my DS Lite over here. Let's just take this bit out. Put in the new one, which looks pretty cool actually. So there's slots in there like that. And then here's the cartridge. Put that in. Let's just give my DS a boot and see if this thing works. Right guys, so just power my DS. Go Nintendo DS. Here we go, it seems to have come up. Nintendo DS browser, Opera software, Nintendo. Open that up. Oh, you got a Nintendo, that's pretty cool, Nintendo and Opera. Press the power or touch when you check my power and set, there we go. Wait, so it's telling me I have to take this out or something. Oh, that's pretty cool. Never seen that option. There's a DS option pack inserted. That's cool. Okay, so we're on to a different setup screen now. We're just going to select English, time zone. Does that matter? You're about to set the password. Please write that. I don't really want a password. Saving data. Would you like to configure your network connection? Yep. Right, so we are going to choose Nintendo Wi-Fi. Connection 1. Search for an access point. Now I've got BT Wi-Fi and it's actually, here it is. Oh dear. I'm not sure this is going to work. I think because the encryption type's too modern for the DS. Well, I'll be back and if it works then cool. Right, so that's the password put in. So connection settings have been saved. Tap OK to start the connection test. This thing might be irrelevant in 2018, that's probably why it was so cheap. Yeah, there you go, error code. Unable to obtain IP address. Oh, I didn't expect it to say that. So let's just head back out of this. That's a bit disappointing. So this is probably what it would look like, and this thing was made in 2006, so I'm not too surprised it doesn't work anymore. We've got, is that okay? Oh, okay, yeah, so it's pretty much like the Wii actually. Got a little search option down here. Just go on Google. Google search. Yeah, so everything I click on here just doesn't work at all. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.